I have this sketchbook for over 2 years now, and I just couldn't finish it, no matter how crazy idea I had in my mind. And obviously, I tried to finish it. As you can see, I made artworks that I thought would look cool, but I would always come to a deadline after 5 to 7 artworks. And I couldn't really figure out until I started drawing anime. And now it just feels like I can draw on and on forever until this sketchbook gets over, which made me think, what is the reason which made me feel so stuck before, and what is the reason I feel like I can use this sketchbook to its fullest potential. And after a bit of research, I think I have the answer for that. So in order to use a sketchbook to its fullest potential, you need to figure out why you are stuck in the first place. For me personally, it's
Money!
this sketchbook costs around 300 rupees, which is very high considering the fact that I'm unemployed. And that gave me the illusion of viewing this sketchbook as some kind of special magical object which will only allow masterpieces, which is obviously false. And that kept this sketchbook untouched for a good amount of time. So I want you to think, what keeps you away from not drawing in the sketchbook, or what stops you from finishing the sketchbook? It can be a lot of factors like money, as I said before, or maybe you are underconfident about your skills like many others, or maybe you just got lazy. There are a lot of reasons. Once you figure that out, what you are gonna do is take the genre of art that is the most easy for you to draw, not the one that you imagine is easy. Because if you imagine something is easy and you end up realizing that it is hard, obviously you are gonna stop drawing that. That will create another hurdle. So that is important, because I think we should enjoy art rather than learn it like any other form of study. For me, I generally don't draw anime because that's pretty easy for me. But I thought, well, you know what, I should probably draw that. And honestly, now I should probably draw that. And honestly, I sound like ChatGPT right now. Jokes aside, I am genuinely enjoying this process, and I think I will draw more anime characters which can give a closure to this sketchbook, and I get to buy a new sketchbook. So if you do these 2 steps, find what's stopping you from drawing in the sketchbook, draw what you find easy and comfortable in drawing, I can guarantee you that you will see much more improvement in your progress while finishing this sketchbook. This will make the sketchbook less like a mystical item and more like a regular sketchbook where you can draw and learn while drawing something, and you can draw in it whenever you want to. Thank you for your time in this video, and I will see you in the next one.